Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video class. In today's video we'll cover kinds of adverbs. So this is the basic outline of the scheme under which the videos under this playlist will basically run. So this should be taken as just the enlisting of the kinds of verbs. Now without any further ado, let's get started. There are basically 5 kinds of adverbs. Let's get started. The first one is adverbs of place. The second is adverb of time. The third one is adverbs of manner. The fourth one is adverbs of degree. The fifth one is adverbs of frequency. We will do each of these kinds in detail in the upcoming videos under the playlist of adverbs in English language. The sixth type of an adverb is an interrogative adverb. The seventh is relative adverb, and the eighth and the last one is adverbs of affirmation and negation. So yes guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning, keep growing and keep spreading positivity, love, compassion, gratitude all around. Have an amazing day.